everyone, I'm Maria and welcome to our exclusive tour of the newest development in Tumbak Bayuh. Nestled just 10 minutes away from Pererenan Beach and 5 minutes from Canggu, this prime location offers the perfect blend of tranquility and convenience. It's the perfect starting point for your exploration in Bali with easy access to popular attractions. We're excited to showcase the last 2 available apartment units in this prestigious complex. Each unit will come with 2 parking lots for scooters, and we have also 7 parking lots for cars that you can purchase if you need them. And now let's check out the inside. These apartments are thoughtfully designed to harmonize with the lush tropical surroundings, offering a serene and private oasis for the residents. Let's begin our tour in this exquisite 1-bedroom apartment. As we make our way in, you will immediately notice the well-designed living room. The living space is perfect for both relaxation and entertaining, with ample natural light streaming through the large windows, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. This comfortable seating seamlessly transitions to a private terrace that embodies the perfect essence and balance between indoor and outdoor living. Adjacent to the living area, we have this well-appointed dining area that comfortably seats 6 people. It flows effortlessly into a modern kitchen equipped with high-end appliances and elegant cabinetry, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests. The spacious bedroom offers a serene retreat and complete with luxurious bed and refined decor. The master suite combines comfort and elegance with soft lighting and sophisticated design elements that create a perfect sanctuary. This ensuite bathroom will elevate your daily routine with its upscale features and this picturesque shower area. It's giving you a spa-like feel to your own home. And now, let's step outside to discover your own private oasis. This terrace extends your living space into nature and highlighted by this private pool. Surrounded by lush vegetation, it's an ideal spot for relaxation or enjoying Bali's tropical climate. This apartment complex are available on a 30 years of leasehold with an option to extend. And the completion time is set on November 2024, but there are only 2 units left. But if you miss out, you don't have to worry because we also have a pretty similar project just nearby that offers 32 studio units and 4 suite units, but they are selling really fast, so be quick. Introducing the hotel project of Tumbak Bayuh. It offers 17% of ROI and is managed by B&B Profits. The design is pretty similar with the apartment complex, but it has additional communal facilities, such as a large swimming pool, an outdoor lounge area where you can enjoy the sunset, a reception area with 24 hours of security, and a dedicated service area. The development comes with co-working spaces, laundry services, and cafes that foster vibrant community atmosphere. And the semi-furnished hotel units also come with the option of full furnished if you want to join the rental pool. This ensures a monthly revenue that comes from the rental income. And the completion date is set on the 2nd quarter of 2025 with a starting price of only $99,000 USD. Are you ready to make Tumbak Bayuh your new home? Contact us today and take the first step into making your dream lifestyle in Bali a reality. Thank you for joining our tour today. If you like what you saw, don't forget to drop a like, share, and subscribe to BNB Profit channel so you don't miss more information about amazing properties in Bali. And that's it. I'm Maria for BNB Profits, and I'll see you next time. Bye!